Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya chemistry classes. Let us discuss about chemical properties of benzene. The first one is electrophilic substitution reactions. In electrophilic substitution reactions means when electrophile is attached to benzene ring. The first one is nitration of benzene. Benzene reacts with nitric acid at 323 to 333 Kelvin in the presence of sulfuric acid to form nitrobenzene. This reaction is known as nitration of benzene. In nitration of benzene, what is the electrophile? NO2 group is electrophile. The electrophile attached to benzene, so that is termed as electrophilic substitution reaction. Once again, I repeat this nitration of benzene. When benzene reacts with nitric acid at 323 to 333 Kelvin, it can be converted into centigrade. The temperature is below 55 degrees centigrade in the presence of sulfuric acid to form nitrobenzene. This reaction is known as nitration of benzene. When benzene it is treated with concentrated H2SO4 and concentrated HNO3. The mixture of concentrated H2SO4 and HNO3 is called as nitration mixture. The temperature is 55 degrees centigrade. It produces nitrobenzene. And next one is sulfonation of benzene. The sulfonation of benzene is a process of heating benzene with fuming sulfuric acid, that means H2SO4 plus SO3, to produce benzene sulfuric acid and also known as benzene sulfonic acid. This reaction is reversible in nature. And next one is halogenation of benzene. In halogenation of benzene, benzene reacts with halogens in presence of Lewis acids like FeCl3, FeBr3 to form aryl halides. This reaction is termed as halogenation of benzene. The halogens like chlorine, bromine, iodine, these are halogens. So benzene is treated with, in case of we are taking bromobenzene, so the bromine gas in presence of Lewis acid such as AlCl3, FeBr3 or FeCl3 at room temperatures, it produces bromobenzene. And next reaction is important named reaction and also Frelkroft alkylation reaction. When benzene is treated with alkyl halide in the presence of Lewis acid such as anhydrous aluminum chloride, the alkyl benzene is formed. This reaction is popularly known as Frelkroft alkylation reaction. So, the benzene is treated with alkyl halide such as, in case, for example, RCl in presence of catalyst like AlCl3, it produces alkyl benzene. And the next reaction is Frelkroft acylation reaction. When benzene is treated with an acyl halide, that means RCOCl, these are halide, acyl halide in the presence of Lewis acid such as anhydrous aluminum chloride, acyl benzene is formed. This reaction is known as Frelkroft acylation reaction. And the next reaction is addition reaction. Addition means addition of groups. Addition of chlorine in the presence of ultraviolet light, it produces benzene hexachloride. The benzene hexachloride is known as gamaxine. And the next reaction is combustion of benzene. Combustion means burnt. The combustion of benzene, when a small amount of benzene is taken into a nickel spatula, it produces a sooty flame along with the evaluation of CO2 gas and water. C6H6 plus O2 gives rise CO2 plus H2O. These are chemical properties of benzene. Please subscribe and like us and share.